Myself, Premjith, I am the Executive Director of Dixit Infotech Services. We are a 46-year-old organization. We cater to large enterprise customers and we are serving to many of the large conglomerates in India. Okay, our business overall runs on many pillars, which includes the endpoints, the data center, the server storage, networking, cybersecurity, cloud, and services. Our USP has been our services. A lot of the large enterprise customers have been our customers for services from last 7-8 years. We are proud to say that many customers are even more than 10 years. Okay, and we have 61 locations presence for services. That is biggest USP which no one in India has as of now. And we are partnered to NJ IT solution from last 10 years. So we were using Zoho as our CRM for sales only. And we found a lot of issues in terms of customization, sometimes a lot of delay in service, tickets, closures and all. So that's why we thought of having a new one. And in the meantime, I looked at Sangam CRM in between somewhere, and then I approached them and they gave a POC and we went forward with that. We are presently managing sales and services, okay, and to an extent asset management also. And I think in sales, all the required whatever modules which we consider from the sales activity perspective, we do it, meetings, opportunities, your leads, overall forecast, and the reporting. Two sides of it. One is from the sales angle. When you look from the sales, it is more streamlined now. We know our customers much better than earlier because we have visibility in terms of the activities, what we do with the customers, what are the opportunities, whom are we meeting, who are the relevant people there, and how the funnel is growing and what is the closure rates. So based on that, actually, we know our customer much better than earlier. So that is one part which is very important for us. Second, there is a predictable business which we can relate to customers from the CRM itself. And year on year, we can look at that and see how we can grow our customers. And from the service, when I look at, it's more about recording the calls in time and responding back to the customers. Transparency has always been our USP when we do customer services. Customer first attitude is our base for that. And I think CRM has helped us a lot in giving the data and understanding the CSAT scores and also the resolution time and the TAT, which is always measured by the management. BI integration for me, actually, it was a little bit of an AI part which I can consider, where all the available data points were captured into a very structured, dashboard, which was helpful in management to understand it on a very scrutinized way, in a simple way, in a single format, which is more important. And that gives me an advantage while I look at my reviews on a weekly, monthly, quarterly basis with the sales team and the service team to have more visibility with a single pane of glass. It's all about ROI only in the business. And we see this BI has helped us reduce a lot of time. Okay. While we look at the BI dashboard, we also get a lot of insights which we can actually implement and make changes in our approach towards the customer sales and services. Surely, I have been always very forthcoming in that, and I've recommended it to many people till now, and it has been a good CRM and it has been a friendly team environment with Sangam and CRM.